joyful song from the throats of happy Irishmen, 100,000 strong. Sure, it was the Hibernian Brigade, lining up, boy, to start the big parade. So I fetched my Sunday bonnet and the flag I love so well, and I bought myself a shamrock just to wear in my lapel. Don't you know that today's March 17? It's the day for the wearing of the green. It's a great day for the Irish, it's a great day for fair. The sidewalks of New York are thick with blarney. For sure you'd think New York was old Killarney. It's a great day for the shamrock, for the flags in full array. We're feeling so inspired, sure, because of all the Irish. It's a great, great day. Begosh, there's not a cop to stop the raiders. Begorra, all the cops are out parading. It's a great day for the shamrock, for the flags in full array. And as we go swinging, every Irish heart is singing. It's a great